We've now moved over to the 2 strips containing the biostimulant work that we're doing this year at NIAB CUF. We've got 2 experiments in this strip, one sponsored by Syngenta, another one sponsored by an American company called Helii. And what we've been doing is following the emergence and the ground cover of these crops during the season, with a sensible belief that until we can get detectable differences in ground cover, it's unlikely we're going to get big differences in yield. So what we've got now is a pair of slides showing the 2 contrasting ground cover treatments for the Helii and for the Syngenta products. And you can see very similarly that all the ground covers are identical within each individual experiment. So we're not expecting much difference in yield unless there's some biochemical pathway that we're somehow missing in terms of this. So this is a plot of Maris piper where we've had basically full irrigation for the duration of the season, and the product has been applied to it in terms of its full rate. So we've had 4 applications of Syngenta's Qantis product here. And this is the contrasting plot that has had no Qantis applied to it, but has had the same irrigation throughout the season, effectively the control plot. So this is a plot in the Helii Phycoterra experiment, the varieties Brook. And what we've got here is a plot that has had the belt and braces approach of both seed treatment and soil applied product, so 2 applications. And this is the contrasting plot that has been fully irrigated as the last plot, but has had no product applied to it, so effectively the control plot. And now what we've moved into is the PROACT experiment, which is embedded in one of the blackleg experiments, which we'll talk about in a moment. But this is a plot that's received no PROACT, but has been fully watered through scab control and full irrigation. And this is the contrasting plot that's received full PROACT application, bar 1 treatment, which will go on in August. And it's received full irrigation, so same regime, showing the 2 contrasts. Full ground cover, variety jelly.